Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of t-shirt designs for learning how to design different types of t-shirt. So if you're planning to learn t-shirt designing from the beginning, then you are in the right place because we will cover in this class from the basic to advanced. This is a beginner level class, so if you have no previous experience, then you can join in this class. Let's take a look what you will learn from this class. Introduction to basic t-shirt designing, usage of Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, how to make t-shirt designs using different softwares, design mockups, photo manipulation, graphic extraction, exporting and importing t-shirt designs, and usage of different format of graphics and elements. After completing this class, you will be able to create visually appealing designs using Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, implement various graphics and images to enhance t-shirt designs, successfully create designs using Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, apply best practices for designing and fill up the graphic designing criteria, and build a professional online portfolio and showcase your work. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class projects. So what you have learned, you'll be able to participate in class projects, so you can practice while you're learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there to help you. So let's start learning t-shirt designing for making appealing designs for your t-shirt.